Hey everyone, it's Anne-Marie from the Hellabask YouTube channel. Welcome back. It is the new year coming up and I am so excited to put this year behind us, as I'm sure many of you are. So today I just want to take a minute on the YouTube channel to wish you a happy new year and just say thanks for being around on the channel. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting on my videos this year. And I want to tell you a little bit about what the YouTube channel has achieved this year. First of all, we're up to 4,500 subscribers as of the time of making this video, which is crazy to me because, well, when I tell people about my YouTube channel, and yeah, I have a YouTube channel about Basque culture and the Basque country is such a niche subject. So the fact that there's nearly 5,000 of you guys who are interested in this topic and following along for the ride, I really appreciate that. It's exceeded my expectations. Well, I didn't really have grand expectations when I started this channel, but that's really cool that the channel has been slowly growing, so thanks for that. With that, this is the year that the Hellabask YouTube channel got monetized, which, sorry, it is a little annoying to have a couple of ads before the video, but I appreciate you sticking around for that. It gives me a few pennies every time you watch those videos. Probably not even a few pennies. Half of a penny? I don't know. It's not a lot, but at least it's enough to cover my video editing software that I use to edit my videos. So expenses are covered. I'm very happy with that. The content on the channel this year was not what I expected. My initial plan for 2020 and for this YouTube channel is I was hoping to move to the Basque country this year and go stay in a Barnetegi, a Basque language immersion kind of like boarding school to learn Basque. And I was really looking forward to that experience for myself personally to kind of fast track my learning of Basque because it's very slow doing it here in California. But I was also really excited to share that journey with you guys and show you the Basque country a little more and tell you about that experience. But that didn't work out. I've still been on the channel just researching different things about the Basque country and Basque culture and sharing it with you guys. And every once in a while, my dad has been gracious enough to pop up in my videos, which I know you guys love here on the YouTube channel. So that's pretty great. Just on a personal level too, I'm really happy that I have these videos with my dad and my mom and occasionally my sister. Yeah, it's just like a little family memento. You guys are hanging out on the YouTube channel with my family, which is really great. So usually with Hellabask at the beginning of every year, I have goals and plans and dreams. As I just mentioned, my failed ones for 2020. And this year I feel like I'm kind of at a loss. Maybe some of you, I'm feeling like it's hard to even make plans or goals because who knows what the next year is going to bring. Maybe none of that will be achievable. So I want to reach out to you guys and ask you what you would like to see from the Hellabask YouTube channel in the next year, what kind of videos you would like me to do, what kind of topics you would like me to cover, with the caveat that I expect that for most of the next year I will be in California. I don't think I'll be able to travel to the Basque country even next year. Who knows? Fingers crossed. Maybe the world will change. But yeah, so what do you think I could be doing with the channel that you would be interested in seeing? I will also add another caveat to that. I know you guys always want to see more videos with Aita, my dad, and personally, I want to do more videos with my dad because I think he is hilarious and adorable and I just love sharing him with you guys. But the thing is, Aita is a very reluctant performer. He's a very reluctant star, if you will. He doesn't always want to do videos with me. Actually, I'd say 90% of the time he does not want to be on camera. And he humors me every once in a while when he's in the mood, if I'm being nice to him. I haven't quite figured out what the secret sauce is to get him to do videos with me. But I'm very much on his schedule with that and his willingness to do this. Because it's I don't want to follow my dad around with a camera when he doesn't want to be bothered. That's not good for our relationship. So yeah, I know you want to see more videos with my dad. You still leave them in the comments below what you'd like, but I'm gonna tell you right now, he's a little less committed to the YouTube channel than I am. To be fair to Aita, he never wanted to be on the internet. I'm the one that started a blog, a YouTube channel, social media accounts, and started sharing him with the world and found out that some of you guys really enjoy seeing my dad. And honestly, I've been putting pictures and videos of him on social media for 8 years now. I would say for the first 5 years, it was a huge strain on our relationship because he hated it. It's only in the last few years that he kind of humors me. But that's just a little behind the scenes of my family dynamic. that may or may not be interesting to you. Anyway, so please leave a comment below if you have any suggestions for the YouTube channel in the coming year. I really appreciate it. I will read through all of them, take them into consideration. I make no promises, but I'll see if there's any themes that emerge for sure. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to the Hellabask YouTube channel, please do. Little button below. It does actually help with the YouTube algorithm to help my videos get shown more. Thank you for that, and Happy New Year. I hope all of your dreams come true for New Year if you are making any resolutions or goals, unlike me. And stay safe out there. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video in the new year.